In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Shopify Shipping, live rates, zones, and labels. We'll go through a comprehensive guide to setting up your shipping options on Shopify, ensuring that your customers receive accurate shipping rates at checkout. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to manage your store's shipping settings efficiently. Let's get started by heading over to the settings. You'll find this option conveniently placed at the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in settings, navigate to Shipping and Delivery on the left-hand panel. This section is the hub for all your shipping-related configurations. As you scroll through, you'll come across an option that says Enable Third-Party Calculated Rates at Checkout. This is an incredibly useful feature if you want your shipping rates to reflect real-time carrier prices. By turning this on, you can connect with your preferred shipping carrier account and utilize your own negotiated rates. Keep in mind, though, this feature is exclusively available for Shopify Grow plans and above. Unfortunately, if you're on the free or basic plans, this option won't be accessible. If you're not eligible for calculated rates, no worries. Shopify still offers a way to set zones and rates manually. Just click on an existing shipping rate within the shipping section to begin editing. This is where creativity meets practicality. You have the ability to set prices for domestic locations, add bespoke rates tailored to your store's needs, and even include international destinations. Plus, you can specify which products are included under each shipping rate. This flexibility ensures you can customize shipping to suit your business model and customer base perfectly. Another fantastic tool at your disposal is the ability to create custom profiles for shipping. This feature allows you to add more shipping options tailored to specific criteria, such as certain products or customer groups. Whether your objective is to streamline domestic rates or offer special international shipping options, custom profiles will enable you to refine and enhance your shipping strategy. And there you have it. We've covered the essentials on how to configure Shopify's shipping settings, focusing on live rates, zones, and labels. By tailoring these options to your store's unique needs, you can provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers, ensure you're covering shipping costs accurately, and potentially increase your store's success. Thanks for following along. And remember, taking the time to effectively manage your shipping options not only benefits your customers, but supports your business growth too. Stay tuned for more helpful guides in the future, and happy selling on Shopify.